The Exter comes with two cabin lights, one at the forward for the driver and the co-driver, and one located at the center for the rear passengers. The cabin light at the center includes controls for the sunroof, which I will explain in a dedicated video for the sunroof, the controls for the light, and the pilot lights itself. So these are map lights. And you also have the option of turning on the light, both the lights, and keeping it in the center will enable the lights to turn on with the door ajar warning. That is, if any of your doors are open, the lights will turn on. See, do open a door. The lights have turned on. Close it. So you saw how the lights are dimming like a theater dimming effect. So this applies for both the front lights as well as the one at the rear. Let me show you the one at the rear now. Now this light, you can turn it on from here. And keeping it at the center again enables the light to turn on with the door ajar warning. See, do turn on, okay, open a door. There you go. So both the lights turn on together. And both the lights turn off with the theater dimming effect. So that is as far as the cabin lights are concerned. Very useful. And you can also change these halogen bulbs inside to LEDs if you prefer a cool white light to a warm white light.